Hey, what's going on everyone? So some of the leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S21 has been surfacing online. So in this video we'll be talking about the S21 series. So stay tuned and keep watching. My name is Sobik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the rumored most premium model of the next generation Samsung S series, is tipped to offer 120Hz display refresh rate at 2K resolution. This is similar to the year's Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup, in which has also the ability to go up to 120Hz. But to offer this refresh rate at 2K resolution display will be a first for Samsung flagship. Furthermore, the camera specifications of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra have been leaked online. The phone has also been spotted on NFC certification site. Starting with the display leak, tipsters Ice Universe has taken to Twitter to share that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will have 120Hz display refresh rate just like its predecessors, but with 2K resolutions, also known as the QHD Plus display. 2K resolution is somewhere between Full HD Plus, 1080p and 4K. The resolution could vary based on the display size, but it should be somewhere around 1440 pixel. If this leaks holds any weight, then this will be the first Samsung phone to have 2K resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. The same tipsters also leaked that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will have an improved camera sensor over the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is tipped to have a 108 megapixel primary HM3 sensor with 0.8 pixel size. The camera setup will offer laser focus but will lack a time of flight sensor. Additionally, 91 Mobile also spotted the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra on NFC certification site. The phone is reportedly listed with the model number of SMG998U, but the listing says little else about the phone apart from the fact that it will support NFC. Past leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra smartphones in the series will go on sale on January 29, 2021. The launch is expected to be held on January 14 and pre-orders of the smartphone will begin on the same day of the launch. The phones are said to be available in black, white, grey, silver, violet and pink color options. So these are all the things we have got so far on Samsung Galaxy S21 series. We'll just make a separate video on Galaxy S21 when we have all the details. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about Samsung Galaxy S21 in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.